Behind me, you'll see the dreamliner. I will explain the complete process of this amazing machine.
Steady the barrel with the tagline as it lowers onto the pad. Place it in zone B12 and secure the tag. Marked may need. Small scuff on the lower skin, flag for review. Rotate to stringer forward and lock the transport dolly. Measurements are within tolerance. Alignment lines set.
Edge trimmed to spec and vacuumed clean.
Surface cleaned and primed, ready for inserts.
Floor beam clamped and initial fasteners installed. Adjusting the jack to bring the wing box camber and twist into tolerance. Injecting bonding agent into the insert cavity for bonding.
Hold the frame steady. Gap must stay within 2 millimeters.
Inserting the main pin now. Confirm pin lights are green.
Torquing the pylon bolts to preliminary spec.
Cycle the actuator slowly and watch the gear travel. Secure the harness to the tray and snap the cover in place.
I am fastening the galley to the floor beams.
Applying ground power now and watching the indicators.
Flagging a signal here for follow-up. Yucushin Hutrixes. Hold pressure throw. I see a leak at that fitting. Powering up now, Sacidres. I'm seeing an amber fault on power channel 2.
Adjusting the trim rod 3 clicks. Run the sweep again.
I'll touch the paint and reseal the joint now. Stand clear. We are towing to the flight line.
I am placing the certification placard. The aircraft is ready for delivery.